Hey guys, welcome back to me YouTube channel. Today we just actually came back from the grocery store, so I thought it'd be a cool time to show you what we usually get for a week's worth of groceries and like healthy meals. Okay, so I wanted to make banana bread, so we got some ingredients. There, you look so cute.
Hello.
Hi. So, first up, we got some bananas. You want to start pulling stuff out of the bags? Or are you just gonna stand there and look pretty? So we got some bananas, cucumber, 2 cucumbers.
That would suck if I dropped.
We got some berries for my yogurt parfaits in the morning. So we have these little produce bags that we got at the grocery store. And we've actually used them for like months. So we use them instead of the plastic thin little ones because that's unnecessary plastic that we don't need to use. So definitely recommend these if you feel like saving the planet, or just don't use any bags, that also works. These are mushrooms. We got the brown ones. I can't remember. We got brown mushrooms because we're gonna make a stir fry. So that's with the mushrooms, broccoli, pepper, bok choy, rice, tofu. And we also got tomatoes. We're gonna make a cucumber tomato salad one night of the week, which is why we got tomato and cucumbers. And then we also got these. They're on sale for like 2 for $5 or something, and they're these huge containers. This red onion's also for my tomato cucumber salad. A bag of onions, green apples. You have nothing to juggle with. Here, juggle with these.
But this one I'm gonna break if I drop it.
So don't drop it. Wow.
Nailed it.
Wow, honey. Go you.
I'm a juggler. It's okay.
What else? Oh, we got Earth Balance butter, some hummus, coconut yogurt. If you're trying to be vegan or just like dairy free or whatever, Silk coconut yogurt is by far the best.
Yeah, all the almond ones suck.
Well,
Or soy.
all the other yogurts in general suck.
This one is like cultured coconut, so it actually tastes like yogurt because it's cultured, just like yogurt's cultured.
Yeah, and it's really good. I eat it literally every day. So this is what I make my parfaits with. You're gonna hit me in the head with a bag of buns.
Those are bagel buns.
These are Ethan's bagels. He got the 12 grain ones.
Being healthy.
These are carrots for our hummus. I got ginger because I'm gonna make some like ginger turmeric tea. Turmeric.
I'm like that Vanna White woman in all the shows where you just go.
Who's Vanna White?
In like the game show, well I don't know what it's called, where she just goes like this. Now we have the basil.
Okay.
That's me.
Okay, you're Vanna White. This is basil because my basil plant apparently died.
R.I.P.
Then we got some parsley. Apparently for the tomato cucumber salad. What's this?
Spinach.
For what?
Eating.
What else do we get?
Oh, there's a big bag.
Oh, and we got some apple cider vinegar, which is gonna be for my banana bread. Almond milk, chickpea pasta, bar soap for the shower. Peanut butter. I forgot what it's called. Peanut butter. Some chickpeas, some more chickpeas, salt. Ah! SOS pads.
That's it.
Ah! Oh, and some eco-friendly toilet paper. This chickpea pasta is now what I have instead of like regular gluten-free pasta. So it has tons of protein in it and it's really tasty. But I get the shells instead of like penne or anything else like that because they kind of, since it's gluten-free, they like fall apart. So these ones fall apart less than the other ones. So yeah, that's everything that we got at the grocery store. I just figured like we cook a lot, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that we cook a lot. And everyone always asks like what we're making, and I figured that a little food haul for what we eat for the week would be cool. So if you want to see more videos of us like actually cooking something, or like...
Us?
Yeah.
What do you mean us cooking?
I don't cook.
So why would you say us?
Because I stir.
But it's just me if it's us.
If you want to see videos of us cooking together, let me know in the comments. And then we could like cook together like a little cooking show. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.